going on? Got a freaking bird stuck up in here in my freaking grow house. What a cool looking little bird too. Man, buddy, wish I could help you. Look at this little guy. Man, there's a hole right there. You can get out. This looks like a little woodpecker too. I wonder if he's been pecking in here at my wood. Poor little guy. What a cool looking little freaking bird. You just gotta come down here, buddy. It's pretty cool. See if I can get a freaking picture. Oh shoot, he moved right when I went to take a picture. I figured I would catch a bird in here eventually. They get all over my little contraption here I made out of some wood, some sticks, some saplings. He's hanging upside down up there. That's freaking awesome. Whoa. I want to see him get out. I wonder if I go like this. Look, buddy. Fine, here you go. Here you go, buddy. Still not there. Come on, buddy. Come on to the window. Whoa, he was almost there. Come on, buddy. Try it again. Come on, buddy. Ooh. Right here. This is crazy. Get out. Man. I want you to get out, buddy. Now I get all tired out. Dang, man. He's gonna really make me do it. There you go, buddy. Come on, buddy. Fly away. Coast is clear now. Come on, buddy. There he goes. He's hopping along. Oh, man. He's got freaking... had some string on him. What the heck are you doing, dude? I knew I seen the flutter. Man, you know... what the heck? Yeah, go out that side, buddy. Here. Here. Come on. There he goes. There you go. Safe travels, buddy.